You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. That is a very interesting word. It comes from French originally. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. The British English pronunciation is as Vanguard. American English, the way it's pronounced in the US, it comes from French avant-garde. In American English, Vanguard. Vanguard. British English, UK, how to pronounce Vanguard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.